Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the IDW13 Smartwatch. And this time we are going to check some of the features here, smart features available in the smartwatch. Okay, one of its main features is the Bluetooth phone call. We also have push notifications. Okay, so we will check these features if it works okay or not. Okay, so we are going to check whether we can make or receive calls as well as receive SMS and app notifications. So if you have any questions regarding the IDW13 smartwatch, especially on the Bluetooth call and push notifications, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we are already paired with the VeryFit application, as you can see here. Okay, when we installed the smartwatch or paired it with the support app, we already enabled the push notifications here, as you can see. Okay, so allow notifications, so we can receive SMS, emails, and other notifications here, okay, from popular social apps such as Twitter, WhatsApp, Messenger, and YouTube. Okay, so as you can see here, calls is enabled. So let's check here, let's double check. We'll go to the Bluetooth section and let's see. So as you can see here, IDW13 Bluetooth. Okay, so we are connected to phone audio, used for input and contact sharing. It's already activated here in our smartwatch. So let's check. Let's see our frequent contacts. Okay, as you can see here, it's not yet added. We'll check on that. Okay, we'll try to add the feature. Okay, so Bluetooth. So what else do we have to set? Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, go to section. So it will be our first time, okay, to use the Bluetooth call. More settings, music control, do not disturb, calls enabled, frequent contacts. Let's see. Okay, so add. Okay, let's add this one, some phone, then done. Okay, so added. Let's see. Okay, as you can see here, it has been added automatically to our smartwatch. Okay, seems like everything is ready. So let's check. Okay, let's go for the app notification first. So we have here our other smartphone. So let's see. Okay, so let's check. We'll go with the WhatsApp application. Okay, let's see if we can receive a notification. Hello. IDW13. Okay, so let's see. Sent. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, we receive a notification with the time and the name of the sender. Then let's check. And you have an option here to delete the message. Let's have another one. Another. Okay, so we have here another one. Okay, again, so we have here two notifications from WhatsApp. So we have here the logo. Okay, so it works. Let's try to call and see if we can receive a call notification. Okay, as you can see, we did not receive any call notifications, and okay, we did not receive any call notifications. Okay, let's check and see here in the support app. If not, maybe it's not supporting call notifications. Call alert we have here. Under do not disturb mode. Let's see, maybe the do not disturb mode is activated. Do not disturb mode. So far we did not receive any notifications here. Disabled. So seems like everything is okay here. Okay, maybe it's not supporting call notifications from the WhatsApp application. Okay, we'll check that later with our Bluetooth call. Okay, then let's try this one, the Messenger. Okay, so it's a popular social messaging app. Let's see. So let's send a message. Hello, IDW13. Okay, so let's send a message. Okay, message sent. Okay, so we receive a message here, as you can see. So it works with the WhatsApp application as well as the Messenger, as you can see here. It has a different logo. So it works so far. How about the call here? Let's see. So I'm going to call the number. So it's now calling. Okay, our other smartphone is working, but it's receiving, but we don't have any notifications here. Okay, we'll set it later. Okay, so we have a missed call from Sam. Did we get a missed call from the WhatsApp application? We did not, but we have a missed call here on the Messenger. So far it works for the Messenger. Okay, the missed call or the call notifications for the WhatsApp application works with the Messenger. Let's try again with the WhatsApp application. Maybe there's some issues. Okay, so we're ringing. Okay, let's end. Let's see if we can receive a call notifications. Maybe the issue is, or the problem is with a WhatsApp application, not with a Smartwatch or the Very Fit application. Okay, we did not so far. Okay, so let's go with the SMS. So let's try if the SMS works with our IDW13 Smartwatch. Okay, done. So let's send a message. This is SMS. Okay, send. Okay, so it's taking time. Okay, message sent, and as you can see here, we receive an SMS message. Okay, again, swipe, and we have here the SMS message. Okay, 10:39 a.m. and we have here a different logo. It says SMS. So different logo for SMS, different logo for Messenger, as well as the WhatsApp application. Okay, very good so far. So it works. And this time let's check on the Bluetooth call. So it is one of its main features, the Bluetooth call functionality. Okay, so let's try to call the number. Okay, contacts. Okay, let's try to call this one. It's now calling, and as you can see here, we receive the Bluetooth call. Okay, so we'll block the calls, deny the call, and that's it. Okay, so for the call history, as you can see, we have it here. Okay, for the frequent contacts, later we'll check that one. Dial pad, we still haven't checked it, so we'll try 09 19 80 92 094. It's now calling.
Our number cannot be completed.
Okay, I think it's a wrong number. 09 incomplete. 09 80 92 094. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it registers. Okay, again 09. Oh, how about this one? 096. I made a mistake again. 096961583999. Okay, about this one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it works. As you can see here, you can adjust the volume also, or you can mute the calls here, I think. And let's end. Okay, so let's try the last one, frequent contacts. So let's try this one. Hello, this is a call. Oops, did not push through. Okay, so let's answer. Hello, this is a call. Hello, it works. Okay, how about this one? Let's answer a call here. Let's answer the call here. Okay, so far we have a good speaker, very loud call, or very loud speaker, and of course the Bluetooth call works with our IDW13 Smartwatch. Again, let's see here, we have the call history. So it works, frequent contacts also works, dial pad also works, and the SMS also works, whether it's SMS, Messenger, or WhatsApp application. Okay, so that's it for the Bluetooth call, SMS, and app notifications for the IDW13 Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video review or video demo of the Bluetooth call for IDW13, just drop a comment below, and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.